When it comes to cooking at home, there are two things that are extremely important to me. It must be quick and it must be West Australian. That's why I'm absolutely in love with these new Mount Barker ready-to-cook meals. They're prepared here in WA and they're made using the best chicken you can buy. So today I'm going to be making the Chinese spiced roast chicken. We're going to be serving that with a Chinese-style dirty rice and a pickled sprout salad. So we've taken the chicken out of the packet. We've let that sit for a little bit of time just to ensure that the skin is nice and dry, okay? Because that's going to help with what actually comes out of the oven. We're going to pop it straight onto a baking tray, okay? Now, the package suggests that you cook this for 30 minutes covered and then another 30 minutes uncovered. I'm going to cheat a little bit and I'm just going to cook it at 150 degrees for about 45 minutes. And then I'm going to increase that temperature to 200 for the last 15 minutes. I find that's going to leave a beautiful, succulent chicken. So our chicken's been in the oven for an hour now. So now we're going to make our sprout salad. Boiling water, in with bean sprouts. They're just blanching slightly. We're going to add some rice wine vinegar, some soy sauce, and a dash of sesame oil. Then the bean sprouts can come out and back into the mix. To the rest of the salad, we're going to do some julienne red capsicum and some spring onions. And a good mix around. We'll rest this off to the side while we make our dirty rice. Some garlic and ginger to start, and then the rest of the spring onions. So now to make our dirty rice. A little bit of sesame oil. So in with our garlic and ginger. Just a little fry off, not too much. We're going to add our Szechuan peppercorns. Okay, and then in with our spring onion. And in with our already cooked jasmine rice. Okay. So let's serve up. Nice big bowl. You're feeding a family of 4. Okay, this beautiful dirty rice. And then our chicken. Need a nice sharp knife, and then we'll just position it nicely. Our wonderful, zingy sprout salad. And then we're going to finish with some sesame seeds. Family of 4, dinner in no time.